Hello, my name's Steve and welcome to my YouTube channel. The focus of this video is an inbox review of a Revell kit. It's the Tornado ECR Tigermeet 2011-2012. Which is this? It's stunning. Fantastic. On the side of the box you get some pictures of what the aircraft actually looks like, the reference photographs. Brilliant. On the back of the box you get some adverts for other Revell kits, and it cost me 15 quid from my local model shop. It's probably 15 quid because of, I was going to start this video saying I bought a decal sheet and it came with a free kit, and here's the decal sheet. It's stunning, man. Beautifully printed, no registration errors or anything, fantastic colours. And I bought this kit because I bought it before, but not as this version. I bought it as the Eye of the Tiger version, which again is fantastic, and it came with this deck, which has this decal sheet in it. More brilliance, fantastic. I love decals. They're the best part of modelling. They bring life to your kit, bring life to your model. This is virtually the same kit, except in this one, the Tigermeet one, you get an extra sprue compared to the other one. So onto the instructions. Now, usual Revell, Revell, what do you call them? Here's some history on the aircraft in English and German, and then we go on to safety instructions, sprue layout, when I can find it, and paint callouts by Revell. Does anybody paint Revell aeroplanes with Revell? I can't pick them up except for enamel in my local shop, and they don't have many anyway. I have a couple of Revell paints, but I got the anthracite to paint the tyres because it's like a grey black. Okay, so the build is in a total of 58 sections, all moving on from one to another. And at the back of the sheet there's painting diagram, and then the decaling diagram, and then on the back the weapons section. Now, this kit has an extra part, extra sprue, which is not in the Eye of the Tiger one, and it's this weapons sprue. I think they're Amrams, something like that. There's also, this plane must have different instrument panels because there's a different instrument panel on there, with raised detailing. It's very nice, and like a very light grey plastic. All very detailed. So there's 4 main sprues for the aircraft itself, all big ones. So you get the fuselage, top and bottom, some instrument panels which you probably don't use for this plane, undercarriage, seats, all very nicely detailed. Wheel wells, which are, oh no, there's the cockpit base, with raised detailing, which will look nice if you paint up dry brush. There's undercarriage parts there with very fine ribbing. All in all, that's a very nice spring. There's no flash. There is ejector pin marks, but you're going to see them on the inside of the plane. Okay, on to the next sprue, which has the wings, the upper wings, I think, the fin, the Tornado, some nicknames for it, the Tonka, the Mighty Fin, you can see why, and then the front of the aircraft, and it's all very nicely detailed. The engines, again, very nicely detailed. Some very nicely detailed wheels in one piece, but I think they will need a scrape, maybe not. But they're flat spotted as well, gentle flat spots. So it's very nice. On the wings there's very fine recessed panel lines and some riveting. I've said this before in a review. They may disappear when I paint them, so I may not make this aircraft or the other one until I've got an airbrush. The next sprue is just full of fuel tanks, weapons, and the parts to all the weapons, to the bay, to the wings, sidewinders, jamming pods, don't know what that is, but it's a big missile. Big tanks, fuel tanks, just full of it, all nicely detailed. It's a lovely kit. There is some flash on some parts, can you see? But I'm guessing they've made quite a few of this. But it's all in all very nice. I like it. And the last spring has more wings, intakes, and tails, and stabilisers for the tail. Again, fantastic detailing, beautiful. Take your time in making this, it'll turn out trumps. Stabilisers have fine panel lines, riveting, so do the engine intakes. So there you have it. That's another very nice kit. Now, I think we're living in the best of times for modelling. You can go into a shop, you can pick anything up. It's a good kit, unless you pick up some of the old tool stuff. Do some research. If you've got an internet enabled phone, while you're in the shop you could use that and check out the model, see what you're going to get. Anyway, that's it for this review. I hope you liked it. I'd like to say keep your chin up, happy modelling, and see you later.